We're back with MOR Explorers. This is a show all about what's new and trending in Tampa Bay, showcasing the people and products that make our home one of the best places to live. Solar technology is popular in the Sunshine State, and its products are always evolving. Arry's Roofing at Tampa Bay features the money-saving technology. And with me today is Teague Rupp, Territory Manager of Florida for GAF Energy. Hey Teague, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, good to meet you.
We appreciate you being here today. What is GAF Energy?
GAF Energy is, we're a sister company of GAF, which is the world's largest waterproofing roofing manufacturer in the North America. And we started this company in 2019 with the goal for energy from every roof, basically converging the roofing and the solar industry to make this, the world's best solar shingle right now.
What are some of the other benefits of having this Timberline Solar?
Yeah, so utility rates are going up. They've been going up like crazy, especially over the last couple of years. So what you're doing is you're locking in your utility rate for at least part of your bill to put it up on your roof. And not only protect your roof with a roof warranty, but it's also integrated with the solar system. So you're getting one roof and one solar system all covered by one warranty with one company. And it's aesthetically pleasing and easy to install.
How much money can an average home save? Do you know?
Yeah, it's not one size fits all for every home, right? It all depends on how much energy that homeowner is using. But the idea is it can save you thousands and thousands of dollars over the course of the life of the system, which is anywhere from 25 to 40 years.
Oh, that's pretty amazing. So the system itself is 25 to 40 years. Most roofs are what, 15 years?
Yeah, 15 to 20 years.
So then they have to put a new roof around the solar system that stays in place?
Right.
Okay. What about the maintenance?
Yeah, this product is 25 to 40 years. There's going to be maintenance that needs to take place, but that's why going with a company that's been around since 1886. We have hubs in Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville. We can be there within a couple of days to maintenance the system if we need to. But reliability with a company that's backing it is very important.
A lot of people did shy away from solar because they were concerned about what the panels would do to the roof, and there were rumors of just negative things happening, right? So what are the benefits of now switching to this Timberline solar system?
Yeah, so it looks better. It's more aesthetically pleasing than those big bulky squares that are getting up on people's roof. It's backed by a leading warranty for a company that's been around, like I said, since 1886. And it's more cost effective and easy to install.
What's next for GAF Energy, and what does the future hold for them?
Yeah, so the future of GAF Energy is energy from every roof. We're building this to scale it and hopefully put it on millions of roofs here in North America. And we just opened a new manufacturing facility in Georgetown, Texas. So now we have two manufacturing facilities, one in Georgetown, Texas, one in San Jose, California. But energy from every roof is the goal. That's the tagline. That's what we're trying to do.
Teague, thanks so much for joining us and enlightening us all on the benefits of Timberline Solar. For more information, of course, you can log on to arrysroofing.com or call the phone number on your screen.
Coming up, a fantastic way to connect with your community and view original programming when MOR Explorers returns. This portion of MOR Explorers is brought to you by Arry's Solar Division.